Let's fix it step by step. How to fix SSL unavailable error on Shopify. 1. Check your domain setup. Go to Shopify Admin, Settings, Domains. Make sure your domain is pointing correctly. A record 23.227.38.65-cnameshops.myshopify.com. Remove any extra or conflicting DNS records like duplicate A or CNAME entries. Amendment 2. Wait for SSL provisioning. After connecting your domain, Shopify takes up to 48 hours to issue SSL. During this time, it may show SSL unavailable. If it's been more than 48 hours, something is misconfigured. 3. Clear cache cookies. Sometimes the error appears only locally. Try incognito mode or another browser device. 4. Check for www non-www issues. Make sure both the www.yourstore.com and yourstore.com point to Shopify. In Shopify admin domains, set your primary domain and let Shopify redirect automatically. 5. Remove old SSL proxy settings. If you're using Cloudflare, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or other DNS managers, disable any extra SSL, HTTPS redirection, or proxy settings. Shopify handles SSL automatically. Extra layers may block it. 6. Force HTTPS in Shopify. Go to Shopify admin settings, domains, SSL TLS. Ensure Force HTTPS is enabled. 7. Contact Shopify support. If you've checked everything and it's still stuck, reach out to Shopify support, 24/7 chat, email. Provide your domain registrar, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, etc. DNS setting screenshot. How long SSL has been unavailable. In most cases, the error is caused by incorrect DNS settings or not waiting long enough for SSL to propagate. Do you want me to also